sesame seeds. Fennel seeds. And fenugreek seeds. Oh, the smell just for these ingredients, these three. Okay, I'm gonna use a teaspoon of urad dal. That's optional though. You don't really have to do that, but I just like the texture and the fact that I'm eating rice, you know. We need curry leaves. I will use one dry Thai chili, one green chili. I'm going to slice one tomato quickly. To medium low turmeric powder, just a little. Coriander powder, just like a teaspoon. And Bombay masala, maybe 1 tablespoon. Just a quick fry for that. Then add the tomatoes, which will add some moisture. I like salting in layers, so we salt the masala. Black pepper is not necessary because there's a lot of spice in there. Yeah, the tomatoes are soft now. I don't want it so mushy like a chutney, you know. So I'm gonna add the cauliflower now. And you can see the oil is already separating. So just make sure all of the cauliflower is coated. Like we don't want these white bits. So let it do its thing for a little while. Let the steam do its thing. Okay, let's see what this is doing. Ooh! Okay, I think I'm going to add some water. Just a little. So this is going to help with how gravy you want it. I'm going to put it on medium high. At this point, I want to add some kasuri methi, cauliflower, just vegetables in general. And then a little bit of garam masala. So it's on high, the water is going to reduce a little, and then we're ready to eat. Oh, that's beautiful. now let's dish. And then here, one egg. Taste test. Oh, you know what? Peanut and green chili chutney. Not peanut, pine nut. Okay, now we are ready. Some olive tapenade here. Okay, taste. Oh, that is so good. Bye guys, thank you for joining. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.